Whenever you replace brake fluid or components in the braking system of a vehicle, some air usually remains in the system. To ensure safe and efficient operation of the braking system, it is critical to bleed the ABS to eliminate the air. In this video, we'll discuss ABS bleeding, why it's important, and how to accomplish it. First, let's discuss why ABS bleeding is so important. If air enters and remains in the oil circuit of the brake system, braking performance can be affected, and braking efficiency may be reduced. When air is present in the brake system and the brake pedal is pressed, the pressure initially compresses the air rather than the brake fluid. This leads to a spongy feeling in the pedal. This is a clear sign that the system isn't providing the direct force needed for effective braking. The consequences? Reduced braking effectiveness, increased stopping distance, and potentially serious safety hazards while driving. ABS bleeding is a critical procedure that eliminates air bubbles from the brake system of a vehicle equipped with an anti-lock braking system. The process involves the sequential opening of the bleeding valve on each wheel cylinder while simultaneously applying pressure to expel air by compressing the brake fluid. So, when is ABS bleeding necessary? To ensure the brake system functions properly at all times, the process is essential whenever the braking system is maintained or repaired. There are two methods for performing ABS bleeding, and we'll explore both. The easiest method is to use an OBD scan tool. With this tool, you can navigate and follow the instructions provided to accomplish the brake bleeding procedure. The scan tool activates the ABS valves and allows air to be forced from the system. This method is essential for newer vehicles equipped with ABS systems. If your scan tool doesn't have an automatic function for ABS bleeding, don't worry. It's still possible to bleed the ABS system manually, but it's a bit more complex. Start by individually opening the bleeding valve on each wheel cylinder, while a helper steps on the brake pedal to bleed air into a container partially filled with brake fluid. Repeat this process for each wheel. Remember to keep the brake fluid reservoir topped off throughout the process to prevent introducing more air into the system. And there you have it. Properly bleeding the ABS system ensures the vehicle's brakes perform at their best, enhancing safety and responsiveness. Whether you're using an OBD2 scanner or taking the manual route, ABS bleeding is a vital step in maintaining a vehicle's safety. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your coworkers and friends. For more helpful information, please subscribe to our channel.